Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today, I'm letting you know about some Black Friday deals at the Airfix online store for 2024. There are some proper bargains at up to 50% of their usual retail price. If you do fancy getting one of these, please remember to go to the online store through the affiliate link below. That way, and at no extra cost to you, for anything you buy, Airfix will make a donation towards the running of this channel. And you can still use and collect hobby reward points and use your 10% Airfix Club discount if you are a member. Let's see what's selling. I guess one of the biggest savings is on the 1/72nd scale Avro Vulcan Black Buck kit. This was almost £75 and now selling for just £37.50. All the bits are in the box for earlier versions of the Vulcan as well. Also from the Falklands War is the 1/72nd scale Sea Harrier FRS-1, now at just £12.50 instead of £24.99, as are the earlier Harrier GR1 or Aviate-A and the later Harrier GR7 and GR9 sets. Another bomber in 1/72nd scale is the Avro Lancaster Dambusters kit at just £24.99, down from almost £50, and the wonderful de Havilland Mosquito B16 and the legendary Fairy Swordfish, each at just £12.50, down from £25. Looking at larger scale, the 1/48th de Havilland Vampire F3 is now going for £17.49 instead of almost £35. The superb 1/48 scale Hawker Hunter FGA9 is down from almost £50 to just £24.99. The evergreen North American P51D Mustang in 1/48 is now down from £30 to just £14.99. And you have a choice between the Spitfire 5B, the Mark 12 or the Mark 18, each of these at £14.99, down from almost £30. I guess the best deal of all is the 1/48 scale North American F86 F40 Sabre, a reduction of 60%, down from £42 to just £16.99. I loved making this kit. I might just have to grab another one. Some of these will sell out really quickly, so don't hang around. Remember that orders over £30, that's after discounts including the club discount, will get free shipping, and you can spend and collect Hornby Hobby reward points as well. There are plenty of other offers, so it's a great time to get that kit you've always fancied or something to put under the Christmas tree for someone else. Do check out all of these deals on the Airfix website. That's it for now. Hope you can grab a proper bargain, and don't forget to go to the store through my affiliate link in the information box below. Thank you so very much for watching. Take good care now, and goodbye.